Isoko wado sa Isoko mena. Ojo me wolo no wari. Kere wari ya no. Mama kere tsa mare wena. Ori avuno ekpelo suoro ha. Orie. Yo evude fiera gele na ka. E mamisu erie. Awo jobe ma ke hore ke yo mana. Awo jabi re mejo abe hore ke o ma. Isuma na no ebe do dena na tasotu voberu no. Utenu tisoko. Ore mosuto ma bon. Bele no gene jo paro wa biru. Ogen joga lowe. Ko bona ni tuma e via la we na ni yo government ke merbe via o. Ma wi soko ma wo no ma weguri. Ko ma unye be beta sotuvo. Utema uto ma bon ha. Wa be ro ma re bua di full. Wa be ro ma zaro. E me gatere o. If you lie yo government were roja mati awon ipe ni unu ha wa bi gelo ma uzo be na wa gelo ma ziezi sio to be made via o ogene diko me woro ye wario mo me dare ma bi to budua violet ri obo ma tunu ma bi bovia government wa gbero ko ma ko mati ru no mara sairuo eni why smile abola we no ani negbene anya wolo ko government mo Oflefle Roomote pe kunu ku wisumo ma be lo wa igbo bi ni vio tenu ti soko wa re ko mo re e wa ri mejo iche ayayo mate kai pipe na pipe mate kai it will not flow. Wate bodo wareko ma utema wisoko ha. Oyele na no bisu na ya. Wa mate ka osibesuo. Ke mama kire suvra na ken are ovo no ma bi wo neze. Orie. So wa be ko ma e kan wojo ka bi siemu o. Mani wate tavia ko ma re ma yo. Aya government if you love don't go gaga riko va bole be kunu kubisumo ini na oya Isoko no re sun ko emeo uno aregbejeri o are ajo mari o mojo to makiro no moto did baba bo magbe kropo ajo mari o mojo tenure to ma Isoko fike ewuri no ma wo na no ga loto mine na no bi suna pade na ko mai umute mai le ba re ri anya se wa re teta me te prezi ezi emiota wa ri uho na ta le wa ro mejo wa gbeje le kisu mai na ebe do dena na ke mejo ebe dodu wo mana na ye jo ebe dodu yo ma ko kenete pa iwo be ra kwa wona be dodu yo mana
to address the alleged marginalization. Leaders of the Isoko ethnic nationality are appealing to President Bola Tinubu to address the alleged marginalization through appointments to federal position. The leaders made the appeal at the press conference in Isoko South local government area of Delta State. Ikenamechi was there.
According to available statistics, host communities in Isoko North and Isoko South local government areas of Delta State account for a gross crude oil output.
Leaders of the Isoko ethnic nationality are appealing to President Bola Tinubu to address the alleged marginalization through appointments to federal position. The leaders made the appeal at the press conference in Isoko South local government area of Delta State. Ikenamechi was there.
According to available statistics, host communities in Isoko North and Isoko South local government areas of Delta State account for a gross crude oil output of over 380,000 barrels per day, and they are the largest onshore producers of crude oil in Nigeria. And these Isoko leaders who converge on Ole are not happy that despite their contribution to the economy of the nation, they remain unrecognized and want the trend reversed by Mr. President.
Isoko has been lacking in essential infrastructural development since the independence of this country. We employ Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to consider the Isoko nationality in sequence federal appointment and prioritize addressing the infrastructural deficiency in our region.
All we are asking is the fair share of federal appointments. We are not at war with anybody or any ethnic group. But the truth remains what it is. Isoko is greatly marginalized.
The South-South Development Commission, recently established by the federal government, aims to promote economic growth and development in the region. The Isoko people believe that having one of their own at the helm of the commission would be a significant step towards addressing the historic injustices they have faced.
We have remained very loyal to the APC-led federal government, and yet we feel betrayed and abandoned. Therefore, we sincerely appeal to His Excellency President Bola Tinubu to wipe our tears by appointing an Isoko son as the MD of the South-South Development Commission.
Even in this critical time, we require appointments, particularly to this new created South-South Development Commission, that Isoko's son should be appointed as managing director.
For them, this appeal to President Tinubu is not just about seeking favors, but about finally recognizing the Isoko people's contributions to Nigeria's economy and ensuring that they have a seat at the table when decisions are made about the region's development. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Ole, Delta State.
First of all, I want to appreciate our leaders. Not all though, but few of them will be say they stand for the right, they stand for good, they fight day and night to make sure say we Isoko people we get our right, to make sure say the government give Isoko people our due right. I pray for those our leaders. No abeta ma biru kera no Isoko Isoko uteri obo kere arwa no Isoko iwe nya robeti kie ogene ogaluwai ogene opawa beru ogene gbe ko wa iri edidi wa gbero siswesu na vleni because jo bobi no so mare osu oje bonu no relele jemu yigo no ochuke ku Isoko makeberi ojake ana yo ma ya be via ko gbogbo edo Isoko ti gbe inu edo Isoko ma wa boy awon je ma wa la awon je ke merura emereje merura ha unye no rere ebe na didware ni wen asabi gi ne bi yo ma unzu azo we gi na enwe belosu no o wolebo ma Isoko ha no bi gi ne ye epela mo bi gi ne ye mama po wogi na nwo wenwo osu no na osu Isoko osu mo fi su Isoko na owole nyaro owolo pari peru Isoko owalo e mame o mama ware ewo nye ebebe lo ware fo ebebe lo adofu ajo nwunye yo bi figabo yo bi rene weru owo China no ye mama po na dejo osanye mama bo kemeri Isoko manye oro swe wewe na isukperi suche na yi ikpikpere nyare mo ikpikpere nya ya na saru oderise ha ya na ne hospital igo na bobi na be gboro igo Isoko ni ke wo na no obo bi sifi agada na yi yo be gboro ku fie kenya vo o rezusu ovo rezusu asu ikpikpele nyavo are mo ya na re mo deria are faki mo dejo kai were treat be no way keme be wise fiki hewo igu Isoko igewo igo lwano wovo wo bi remejo wo bi si agada wovo we bere utenu tewo wevo wo bi si agada utenu torwa utenu to flower utenu teya utenu ti Isoko soso wevo bi remejo we bi si agada we bi sere keme me gba won ni towo bo kono gbe towo wa kurere wa gbela wo ti o na na Isoko mina wa kulere kere yin o mo fo wa ebe lowo sebare wo eri seba we weri ayayan unyu te po unyu ti po we peri unyu ti po we body Isoko na are han white tete wa ibela wi Isoko na eni Isoko re han white o te han wa vle ni wa re te favia ole na rubeso I have voted nu like go I have voted nu like go wa voted nu like favi ibele ba na wa ru fi Isoko mina ogeneti fuera fi wa vine eke mami suna e mami suna we ni mamo sun o danyere do teni ya ani de e mamo su no wolo bari pe ro wa le nyaaro ewo aye nyaaro olwa aye nyaaro Isoko woni no danyere do teni ya o danyere do teni ya na are ni eteni kemi bela wona are gage bruro mejo roruro wayo na woge na te yebri na no wayo no oge na mele no ge na ko mai mami su nere gwewo ma gbadgbero Isoko then mine na jere suo mine na mama mi na jere suo mine na ro zo gbotoro ki suban sio my mami na de so kemero mama re mine na re mama na ra dero ki sumai isumate bonene ne ma jere wonu no e ona no sumata na ogine gba mike ne remejo mare nyalele keme mine na re suo na ibwebu maijo mai tube ibwebu maijo na re suo na mai ibwebu je tube kwere nwono no ware na no mama ware osi na no wana na rose na mama ware tu wo mako mai gbobio tu wo maki Isoko soso ti wo makewo ti wo makora wevo were mejo were gaze were kpori fara na we gaze were sire unyero we bere Samariana mi obi toka ba betere vario mami Isoko ne be do dana no e do de ba ni Isoko ro ipe e ba ni ewi noro ti Isoko ma ro ru se ma nu to mai e ba ni Isoko idere mai ro lafi e ba ni Isoko ro we ma me are mo Oflefle Roomote man me ro wa yo ogene otu wa ro ogene osi o wa yo ogene otu ikperi aru melo oko wa eri ari didio uyo yovo evavo eri Isoko yo jogba re wa yo ogene odi o jogba re wa yo ana tuo esere motu a ware buzo ure ya ware ji sere bari yo ma ere mele ko wa mami Isoko vodo ogene oso vodo ogene omo vodo ogene zieri Christ amen ko isi agbare te oi